Hey everyone, welcome back to the Auto Universe. The Ford Maverick is back for 2025, and it's turning heads for all the right reasons. Whether you're a pickup enthusiast or someone simply intrigued by what compact trucks can bring to the table, the Maverick offers a little bit of everything. It's built to appeal to a broad audience, from urban commuters who value efficiency to outdoor adventurers who need versatility. In this review, we'll break down what makes the 2025 Maverick a standout choice. The first thing you notice is its bold and confident design. Ford has kept the compact size, but the styling feels tougher and more refined than ever. The front end features a sleek yet rugged grille paired with updated LED lighting that provides a high-tech edge. With multiple color options and an assortment of wheel designs to choose from, the Maverick continues to feel customizable and uniquely yours. It's the kind of vehicle that looks as at home on city streets as it does out on back roads. Under the hood, Ford offers two compelling options for the Maverick. For efficiency seekers, the standard 2.5-liter hybrid powertrain delivers impressive fuel economy, boasting numbers that no other truck in its class can rival. If you need more muscle, the optional 2.0-liter EcoBoost engine brings the power with smooth acceleration and plenty of torque for towing and hauling. The all-wheel drive configuration, available with the EcoBoost, adds an extra layer of confidence for rough terrain or unpredictable weather. It's small enough to navigate tight city spaces, yet tough enough to handle weekend adventures. Inside, the Maverick surprises with its thoughtful and user-friendly interior. Ford has clearly prioritized practicality, but there's no shortage of comfort and style. Durable yet refined materials make up the cabin, and there's plenty of smart storage throughout. The 8-inch touchscreen with the latest sync system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, keeping you connected without the hassle. For those needing extra tech, an upgraded sound system, wireless charging, and additional USB ports are available in the higher trims. Whether you're commuting, carpooling, or loading gear for your next outing, the interior design has you covered. The bed is another area where the Maverick stands apart. This isn't just a smaller version of traditional trucks, it's a reimagined space built for functionality. The FlexBed system allows for creative cargo solutions, with slots to divide and secure loads, D-rings for tie-downs, and even pre-threaded holes for DIY modifications. Add to that a payload capacity of up to 1,500 pounds and the ability to tow up to 4,000 pounds with the right configuration, and you've got yourself a compact truck that can genuinely pull its weight. One of the most impressive aspects is the price point. Ford continues to offer the Maverick at a remarkably affordable starting price, ensuring that this vehicle remains accessible to a wide range of drivers. Combine that with its fuel efficiency, utility, and modern features, and it's easy to see why the Maverick is quickly becoming a favorite for so many. As we wrap things up, it's clear that the 2025 Ford Maverick is more than just another compact truck. It's a vehicle that bridges the gap between traditional pickups and everyday practicality. With its mix of affordability, capability, and style, it's a strong contender in a market that's evolving to meet the demands of modern drivers. If you're looking for something versatile, reliable, and refreshingly unique, the Maverick is worth checking out. Thanks for tuning into this review of the 2025 Ford Maverick. If you found this helpful, give it a like and drop a comment below with your thoughts on Ford's innovative compact pickup. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews and automotive insights. Until next time, drive safe and happy trails.